The kēlo series. Simple, reliable lighting for any pool. Kēlo models are available in two configurations, a 1.5-inch diameter version for threaded wall fittings and a 10-inch model for larger niches. The kēlo 1.5-inch LED light is a 12-volt AC, 7-watt LED underwater light for gunite, vinyl liner, and fiberglass pools. It features a low-profile design, requires no bonding or grounding, includes 6 colors and 2 light shows, and comes with 5 different colored trim rings for maximum customization. The kēlo 10-inch class LED light is a 12-volt AC, 42-watt or 38-watt LED underwater light that features an innovative low-profile design. It requires no bonding or grounding and includes 6 colors and 2 light shows. It is an ideal LED replacement light and easily retrofits to most existing niches. Pool lighting by S.R. Smith. Simple, easy, elegant.